Aloha! This is Johnny Saigon again with another Amazon product review. So welcome to an unboxing of the Boya wireless lavalier microphone set. Okay, so the reason why I chose to do this unboxing is because one, I trust the Boya brand. This is the fourth product of Boya that I have had the pleasure to review, and three before this one have been great products. I especially like and use the Boya desktop version, the desktop microphone, and today I received this wireless lavalier set. So let's go through it and see what's inside, shall we? So I haven't done the unboxing beforehand yet, so you are seeing what I'm seeing, and I have no idea what's inside, so let's explore this together. So opening up the box, you get two separate inner boxes. I'm guessing this one's probably like the instruction manuals and accessories and all that stuff. Okay, so you get the charging cable, real short. I don't see the power adapter, the plug, so you have to provide your own. Here's some paperwork, warranty and stuff like that. Just for the instruction manual. You get a nice pouch, soft case, carrying case, so that's cool. Alright, let's set these aside here. You get a sticker too, in case you want to brand something of yours. Boya! Okay, now let's move on to this main inner box. So it contains a case which you would take with you when you go and use these microphones, and they come in already sealed. So you gotta take off the seal first. Alright, so the whole theme of this product is white, which is pretty unique in terms of lavalier microphone sets. Usually they come in all black, so that's why I wanted to do an unboxing of this one, because it's white, looks unique and stylish and sleek. Very cool. Okay, so yeah, I just press the button there to unleash the latch, and inside you have the microphone set. So it comes with I guess you call this the receiver. Yeah, that's right. So this is the receiver that goes into the phone, and then two transmitters, which are the two wireless mics. And as you can see, they come default with the 3.5mm jack. And so without using the instruction manual, let's figure out this together on the fly here. So it looks like to unlock it, to switch the plugs, you pull this down and then pull it out, or what's going on? Okay. Alright, I don't want to mess this up, so let me read the instruction manual and I'll be right back. Okay, actually I didn't need to read the instruction manual. I just didn't want to break it before, so I was kind of being ginger with it, and basically you just gotta yank it down real hard. So there you go. And then the contacts are there on the other side. So let's switch it to the USB-C. But as you can see, the Lightning version is also included for older iPhones before the iPhone 15. But for our case, since I am a Samsung fanboy, let's use the USB-C version. And let me see which phones I have. Okay, so I'm gonna use my S24 Ultra here. Alright, so just a quick attachment video. I'm gonna do this real quick before I actually download the app and start using it, but there it goes. And let's see if anything automatically attaches. Okay, let's see. USB controlled by Okay, so well, looks like it's giving control to the microphone. And so let's see what it does when I try to record something. Okay, we're back. I was trying to read the instructions manual, but it's pretty sparse, pretty Spartan, kind of useless. So you can go to the website to download the e-manual, but yeah, I don't really want to do it. So just gonna do what this tells me to do and turn it on and see if it works. What I found out is that the case itself has a pretty cool magnetic connection right there. See that? Snaps right into place. These are the two windscreens for the transmitters. Let's see how it looks. Oh, okay. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so that attaches to the end of the mic. Okay. Sorry about that. One of my Funko Pop Gokus fell down. Okay, so let's try. Alright. So it seems like you just turn the receiver on and then turn on the transmitter and it should just work, hopefully. So okay, let's try it. Okay, and here's that. There it is. See the blue light. Okay, so that's on. Let me clip this to myself. Okay, just wondering, how do you tell when this is on, when the transmitter is on? Oh, okay, the light's right there. So let's see if this works. Oh, there it is. All right, cool. So I guess I should have turned it around this way so I can see it easier. Know when it's on. There you go. Okay. So let me do a quick test, but other than that, product looks great. All white. All business. Okay, thanks for watching, and check out my YouTube channel at youtube.com/@VietnamVivu for more Amazon product reviews and unboxing. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Aloha.